Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to draw different designs. So in order to start, we'll be drawing this nose. Start off by drawing the top hat, then draw the rest of the face, add the eyes and then draw on the mask. Now draw on the rest of the body as such in this semi-ovular shape. Now afterwards, draw the collars and then add the hands on either side in these curved triangular shapes. Add the little pockets, add the files and then draw the legs at the bottom along with the shoes. Make sure that you add the cross at the top and color this in. Next, start off by drawing a circular shape and then underneath draw the rest of the body. Draw these two lines in order to make the legs and then draw the shoes right under it. Now once you're done with this, add the hands on either end and then color it in once you're done. Add the little detailing to it as well as such. Now on top, you may add the eyes, that is, draw the goggles and then draw the rest of this. We will be drawing the helmet, hence draw the lines. Make it as decorative and colorful as possible. We have chosen an electric blue. We have colored his shoes in the same color as well. Now afterwards, we'll start off by drawing the semicircular shape or almost circular shape and then add the eyes to the head as such. Now after you've done this, add another layer right outside. Make it look like an almost circular shape once again. Add the body to it as such. Now after this, add a little axe to it as well. And then on the side, you may also draw a little bit of a heart. Next, we'll be learning how to draw Patrick from SpongeBob. Now, in order to do so, draw this triangular shape without the bottom as such and make the corners curve. Add a little smiley face to it as well, then draw the rest of the body, a slight curve as such. Add the legs and then add the hands on either end of it. Now add the feet. Now start off by drawing round eyes and then add the circles in the middle as well. Now you color it in. Next, we start off by drawing a horizontal line, then a vertical line, then diagonal lines on either side. Now connect this with straight lines as such on the edges. After you have gone all the way, add a little shape at the bottom and then add legs to it as well. This would be a little girl with an umbrella. Color this in. Start off by drawing an almost circular shape for the head and then afterwards make a double line out of it. Now make this triangular shape at the top and then once again double line this triangular shape as well. Once you are done with this, the base of this, that is, cover up the bottom and then draw a straight line and then draw on the legs and the rest of the body. Add the hands on either side. Draw a little pocket in the center and then add the bottom lines as well as the side lines as such. Next, draw the top hat, that is the pineapple top hat, by drawing this almost square or rectangular shape. Now fill in the bottom with this curved line as well at the top of the pineapple as such. Underneath it, draw the hair and then add the rest of the face. Now add the eyes and then the ears and a little mouth to it as well. Now once you are done with this, you may start to draw diagonal lines in order to make the checks of the pineapple. Now as you make the checks of the pineapple, you may do the same at the bottom as well. Now once you are done with this on both the sides, you may fill it in yellow color. Thank you for watching.